Don't push him in. Hey! No. No. Oh no! No. Don't do it. No! I'm gonna throw you in.
No.
No! Are you gonna jump in? Let me see you jump in.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Ah,
I can jump in.
you can't jump in.
No.
Are you scared?
Yeah. I gotta go in the ladder. I gotta duck in.
No. You
No.
leave my duck alone. Hey! Uh-oh. What'd you do to your knee? No, your other knee.
Is it
Show
bleeding?
Mama.
He had a cut or a
Oh,
scrape.
you had a cut.
Why is it bleeding?
Well, don't crawl. Get off your knee.
I'll get it. It's my knee.
Can you jump off the ladder?
No, I can't.
Yes, you can. Does he jump in off the... Does he ever jump in here?
Just a little bit off the ladder.